Okay, upon inspection of this machine, you can see the water regulator, pressure regulator valve. There's a manifold here that sets the water. There's a pressure regulator here. Okay, and even though you see it's corroded, stuff like this does not tell you the indication of what's inside. Okay, but obviously at one point this was leaking, and that's where you see this corrosion here and here. Okay, this is under about 6 bar. So yeah, so these leak sometimes. It might be a real tiny leak, not enough to interfere with the service, but definitely a leak that can be addressed during your maintenance, like 6 months maintenance.